This video will show you how to integrate FlipGrid with your new Canvas course. To start with, we're going to select Settings from the bottom of our course menu, and then find the Apps tab across the top. From there, in the search bar, we're going to type in FlipGrid, and underneath the icon will be an Add App blue button. It's prompting us to enter a consumer key and shared secret, which we need to get from the FlipGrid website. Once signed into the website, you'll see some of your previous Canvas courses or other FlipGrid groups, and you'll want to avoid the temptation to create a new group. Instead, we're going to go all the way up to the top right corner where there's a little smiley face, and we'll select our profile from that menu. Right below is an integrations menu that we can click on and scroll down to the Canvas option. Click the Add New Integration button and type in a title of your course, and I always find it helpful to include a semester date as well. Click Create, and it will automatically generate a new consumer key and shared secret, which is exactly what Canvas is looking for. So I'm going to copy my consumer key, go back to Canvas, and paste that into the box. Return to the FlipGrid website to also copy my shared secret, return and paste it into the shared secret box. Click Add App and look for the green bar across the top to ensure that the app was added successfully.